welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole if you're here for the first time. We are going to be celebrating 4th of July holiday in the US in a few days, so I decided to show you my favorite recipe for a turkey burger. It's super simple, it takes only a few minutes to make the mixture, so let's get started. So first I'm going to chop half a yellow onion and cut the onion to very fine pieces. Add the half onion in a bowl. So now I have ground turkey breast. You can use lean meat, you can use a little bit more fatty. So it's up to you what you prefer. So add the ground turkey in the bowl. So now add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, add some pepper to it, and now using a fork just mix everything together. As I said, this is like such a simple recipe, but the flavors just work really well together and the burgers come out very juicy. You don't need any flour or breadcrumbs to hold the mixture together. This should create 4 patties. So create the patty, put it on your plate, and what I like to do, because they tend to shrink once you start grilling them, you just make a hole with your finger in the middle, and that prevents it a little bit from the shrinkage. So 4 equal patties. And now there's 2 ways of cooking it. You can either grill it, which is gonna be my way. We're just gonna put it on our grill. And if you don't have a grill or it's the winter and you still want to make this, I would put it in the oven for 25 minutes. I would turn it halfway through, and then just to give it some color, put it on a pan or a skillet with a little bit of oil and keep it on for only a few minutes on both sides just to give it some nice color. And before grilling, I just like brushing the burgers with a little bit of oil. I'm gonna use my brioche burger buns for the burgers. I made these maybe a month ago and I posted the recipe on my channel. So if you like to make homemade buns, this is a fantastic recipe. It works for me every single time. So the burgers are done. It took us 10 minutes, so 5 minutes on each side, and we put some cheddar cheese when we flipped them over. We also grilled some bacon. So to assemble, I'm just gonna put a little bit of barbecue sauce on the bun. You can use any of your favorite condiments. You can use ketchup, mayonnaise, or mix mayonnaise with barbecue, which is something that I really like also. So now I would add a tomato, I would add the burger bun, some red onion since it's not as sharp. I like adding avocado to my burger, and I'll top it with a little bit of the bacon. So that's it. This is my favorite recipe for a turkey burger. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy the 4th of July holiday. Bye until next time.